Buckle up, because what you're about to hear could flip the script on one of the most controversial AI stocks of 2025. BigBear.ai isn't just another software company, it's engineering cutting-edge technology for drone swarm warfare, securing multi-million-dollar government contracts, and embedding itself into the future of military-grade artificial intelligence. But at the same time, it's facing lawsuits, financial turbulence, and serious questions about sustainability. So the real question is, are we looking at a stock on the launchpad or one teetering on the edge of collapse? Before we continue, if you want to stay ahead of game-changing market moves like this, take 2 seconds to hit subscribe. It helps the channel grow and ensures you never miss high-value insights when timing is everything. Let's start with what just dropped. BigBear.ai reported first quarter 2025 revenue of $34.8 million, a modest 5% gain year over year. But that's where the good news tapers off. The company posted a net loss of $62 million. Now, yes, that's significantly better than the $127.8 million loss it saw in first quarter 2024, but it's still a red flag for investors looking for a near-term turnaround. What's dragging them down? Adjusted EBITDA came in at negative $7 million, largely due to higher R&D spending and increased SG&A costs, partly from delayed government contract funding. For context, operating expenses rose significantly in both categories compared to last year, putting additional pressure on already thin margins. Here's where things get interesting. On May 6th, BigBear.ai announced a high-profile partnership with Hardy Dynamics to advance AI orchestration for the US Army under Project Lynchpin. This isn't just a trial run. This is about scaling swarm drone technology across real battlefield environments. It's real, it's tactical, and it's backed by government funding. These drone swarms will need to communicate autonomously, navigate hostile zones, and adapt in real time. That requires ultra-resilient AI architecture, and BigBear.ai is aiming to be the one to deliver it. If this partnership proves successful, it could open the door to a completely new revenue stream and potentially attract more Department of Defense contracts. This is the kind of development that could shift investor sentiment rapidly. But there's a catch, and it's coming next. Just a quick shout out to our sponsor, Moomoo Financial. If you're looking to start investing or expand your portfolio, Moomoo has an incredible offer just for you. When you open a brokerage account using the link in the description and deposit as little as $1, you'll get a chance to draw a free stock, and that stock could be worth up to $2,000. But that's just the beginning. If you make a net deposit of $100 or more, Moomoo will reward you with 5 free stocks, each potentially valued at up to $2,000. That's a huge opportunity to kickstart your investing journey with minimal effort. And if you're ready to go all in, depositing $1,000 or more unlocks an even bigger reward, 15 free stocks. That means you could be looking at a total value of up to $30,000 in free stocks just by getting started. This is one of the best deals out there for new investors, and it's a great way to explore the stock market with zero commission trading, advanced tools, and a user-friendly platform. So, don't miss out. Click the link in the description, sign up, and grab those free stocks while this offer lasts. Now, let's jump right back into the video. You're watching because you know timing in stocks is everything. This isn't just another quarterly report. This is a critical inflection point. What happens next with BigBear.ai could define its entire trajectory heading into 2026. While the tech is promising, the risks are equally real. On the legal front, BigBear.ai is facing a class action lawsuit tied to how it accounted for its 2026 convertible notes. The complaint alleges misstatements in financial disclosures that could have misled investors. If the courts side with plaintiffs, this could trigger financial penalties and a major blow to credibility at a time when the company can't afford it. Investors who bought stock between March 31st, 2022 and March 25th, 2025 have until June 10th, 2025 to join the class action. That looming deadline could bring additional volatility in the short term as uncertainty builds. Despite all this, the company isn't backing down. Management reaffirmed its 2025 full-year guidance, projecting revenue between $160 and $180 million and expecting adjusted EBITDA to remain in the negative single-digit millions. While they are still not turning a profit, they are showing confidence in their ability to grow revenue, particularly through defense and intelligence contracts. The big question is whether they can execute before legal and financial setbacks drag them further down. Right now, investor sentiment is sharply divided. On one side are the bulls who believe the Hardy Dynamics partnership and military AI deals are laying the groundwork for exponential growth. On the other side are the skeptics pointing to the balance sheet, legal trouble, and ongoing unprofitability. Recently, the stock price has reflected both narratives. It popped on the partnership news, but pulled back again as lawsuit headlines dominated. That tells you investors are watching closely and conviction remains thin. Mark your calendar for two big dates. BigBear.ai's annual shareholder meeting is scheduled for June 2nd, 2025. This will be the first opportunity for investors to hear directly from leadership following the first quarter earnings report and lawsuit news. Then, between August 1st and August 8th, the company is expected to release its second quarter earnings. That report could signal whether R&D spending is finally producing returns and whether defense contracts are generating revenue. If either metric starts to swing positive, it could be the turning point. Here's the bottom line. BigBear.ai is either on the verge of something transformative or headed for another tough year. The technology and defense partnerships are real and potentially game-changing. The revenue guidance shows ambition, but the losses, cash flow issues, and class action lawsuit cannot be ignored. This is a high-risk, high-reward play. If you're looking for a safe investment, this probably isn't it. But if you're looking for a speculative opportunity in military-grade AI, this stock might deserve a closer look. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you betting on BigBear.ai to soar or sink? And if you found value in this analysis, hit that subscribe button. It keeps us going and keeps you informed.